Summation before the International Court of Justice. My name is Anna Maria Reisinger, an American born in Wisconsin. I am a political prisoner and unable to deliver this summation in the flesh. I affirm that what I say is true, correct, complete, and not misleading, and that it is said in good faith, the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth as I now know it. We are at the end of a very long road, more than 160 years in the making. We would not be here if not for other Americans and people around the world who preserved our documents, evidence, and history. Our American government, as distinct from the U.S. government, is devoted to the protection and preservation of individual lives and property rights. We stand on the Declaration of Independence and its eternal call for freedom, dignity, equality, opportunity, and responsibility for our own lives. After armed hostilities ceased in the illegal mercenary conflict known as the American Civil War, thinly disguised British territorial officers murdered, burned out, and slandered our American government by deliberately confusing us, the Federation of States, with the Confederate States of America. This was among the first of many CIA-style government changeovers that have plagued the earth ever since. It came at the hands of British territorials who owed us peace and good faith service, guaranteed by treaty and by service contract, we all know as the Constitution of the United States of America. Despite this, our many nations and 50 nation-states still stand. Our 50 fully provenance and declared state assemblies are in session. We still defend the natural and inalienable rights that each one of us are owed: freedom of life and conscience, freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of travel, freedom to own property, freedom to defend ourselves, freedom to grow and to be and to do and be secure in our homes with our privacy intact. We are still owed good faith service from everyone who wears a uniform or earns a government paycheck in this country. Our American government is still operating in all jurisdictions of the law. We have our customs and our common law, our law of the land and our law of admiralty. We have maintained our post office. As what is forever true strives to reveal itself, we are the Americans whose seat of government is Philadelphia, the city of brotherly love, not Washington, D.C. We stand before this high court, a humble and hard-working nation, created from many, many nations, a peaceable, honest, and compassionate people with no dreams of world conquest. We are as we have always been. We have no dreams of vanished empire, no elitist pretensions, no imperial titles. We don't spend our days conniving ways to deceive and defraud and denigrate others. Wars for profit, pernicious injustice, snobbery, thuggery, and profligate spending is not the American way, even though those committing these affronts may appear superficially to be Americans. They adopted a different citizenship and act as British subjects instead. For 16 decades, our country has been in the thrall of a corrupt and evil and foreign government, a government that has acted in breach of trust, treaty, and contract, a government that has commandeered the apparatus of our federal bureaucracy under color of law and used our country as a storefront. At the end, these same parties sought to destroy us from within, left us to pay their debts, made false claims that our assets were abandoned, and blamed us for their actions. Against this evil, we have only the truth to offer. And the truth is, we all stand at a crossroads between a technocratic, robotic nightmare of corporate feudalism and a very different world, where nature, peace, abundance, and yes, brotherly love can flourish. Choose today whom you will serve, the values you espouse, and the future that will be yours.